Hello everyone, welcome to the last video of revision series of 2026 for class 10 CBSE board. I'll continue making for ICSE children. Okay, now this last video I have pulled up a few assorted questions from here and there which I missed saying before and those which I have not done. All right, just a few questions from here and there. So starting with arithmetic progression. Basics are not required now, you already know. I'll just do a few questions and mention a few things. So the sum, nth term is a plus n minus 1 times d, correct? And the sum of n terms n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 d. Also, this is n by 2, a plus last term L. This makes easier sometimes. Okay. Next, I would like to say, if sum is given, for example, I'm pulling up that question, just a second. Find the sum of first, sum of n terms is given to be 4n minus n square. This is an important question. So sum of n terms is given. So if I take, whenever n terms are given, take n equal to 1, you get 4 minus 1, which is 3. This is actually the first term, right? S2 would be 4 2s are 8 minus 2 square 4, which is 4. So this is not A2. Remember, A2 will be, S2 means first term plus second term. So A2 would be S2 minus S1, isn't it? S2 has both A1 and A2. So subtract these and you get the second term. Once you get the first term, what was the first term? First term was 3, na? 4 minus 3, so 1. Once you get the first term and the second term, you are sorted. D nikal jayega and you can find the value of Sn, whatever is asked. Okay, next, let me do one more, which I saw my students finding little tough. An is given to be 4. Okay, An is 4, D is 2, Sn is minus 14. Sn is minus 14. You're asked to find n and a. So just write down the formulas like a plus, see, two unknowns, right? Make two equations. A plus n minus 1 into 2. This is given to be 4. Then n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is given to be minus 14. So how do we solve this? Here, what we do, this implies a plus 2n minus 2 is equal to 4. A is equal to 2 minus 2n, right? A plus n minus 1 into d is given to be 4. So a plus 2n minus 2 is equal to, a plus 2n minus 2 is equal to 4. A becomes 6 minus 2n, right? Substitute this over here. Before that, as I always say, take common. 2 comes out, or kya bacha? A plus n minus 1, isn't it? 2 bahar aa gaya. A plus n minus 1, that is minus 14. Now instead of a, substitute this value. 6 minus 2n plus n minus 1. Okay, and solve. Clear? Okay, now a few chapters which I couldn't cover, but they are kind of easy ones. I just forgot to mention about centroid. So what is centroid? The point where the medians meet. What is a median? Remember, median has only one property. It is a line from vertex, bisecting the base. Okay. So median is A point from what? Obviously, vertex, opposite vertex, and base would be the one line opposite to that. So vertex from vertex A, this median will just bisect this base. Clear? B similarly, there are three medians in a triangle. Chalo, P, whatever we name. So we see three medians meet at a point. Fine, they are concurrent. Concurrent lines meet at one point. The centroid is generally denoted as G. And the speciality of the centroid, first of all, it has only median has only one property. Centroid also has a very important property. It divides the median in the ratio 2:1. Okay, so AG upon GM will be 2/1. Similarly, BG upon GN will be 2:1. So using section formula, you can find whatever is unknown. All right. This I had not mentioned. Then now let's come to probability. Probability also one or two questions which are important I would like to say. So probability of an event is favorable upon total, right? That you know. So probability that this event does not happen, that is 1 minus the probability that the event happens. Suppose probability of getting a spade from a pack of cards. तो spade कितना है 13 है ना. तो probability of getting a spade when one card is pulled is there are 13 spades out of 52. So probability of not getting a spade will be 1 minus 13 by 52. Okay, now one important thing, writing sample space. Sample space when a coin is tossed twice is the same as sample space for two coins tossed once. Okay, and if a coin is tossed twice, the number of outcomes would be 4. क्या क्या होगा? HH, that you already know for 2. I'm not writing, but I'll explain here how to write the number, all the outcomes for coin, 3 coins tossed at a time or 1 coin twice 3 times. तो कैसे लिखना है? क्या करोगे? 1 coin toss 3 times, number of outcomes will be 3 times 8, 2 to the power 3, यानी 8 outcomes. इसको कैसे लिखना? Half of 8, 4 है ना? तो 4 बार HH लिखो, 4 बार TT लिखो. देन 4 का हाफ कर दो 2, 2 बार H लिखो, 2 बार T लिखो, 2 बार H लिखो, 2 बार T लिखो, राइट. 2 का हाफ 1, एक बार H, एक बार T. तो आउटकम्स आ गए ये सारे. इनको कैसे लिखना? ऑफ कोर्स H H H फिर H H T ऐसे करके लिखोगे. ठीक है. नंबर ऑफ आउटकम्स. उसके बाद वॉट एवर द क्वेश्चन आस्क, गेटिंग एटलीस्ट 1 हेड करोगे, 1 माइनस नो हेड एंड सो ऑन. दैट यू ऑलरेडी, आई अज्यूम यू नो दैट. अच्छा, प्रोबेबिलिटी में और एक क्वेश्चन आता है, नंबर ऑफ संडेज इन अ नॉर्मल ईयर और इन अ लीप ईयर. उसका क्या करना है? तो 365 डेज होता है, 7 डेज इन अ वीक. इसको मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो 52 वीक्स होता है. ठीक है. 52 into 7 is 364. So 1 day is left. नॉर्मल ईयर में 1 day is left. अब ये हो सकता है मंडे ट्यूसडे 7 में से कोई भी दिन हो सकता है, तो संडे आने का चांस है 1/7. और यही अगर लीप ईयर हो गया तो 52 वीक्स है, तो 2 days are left, right? 2 days are left, 1 and 2. अब ये कौन सा हो सकता है? या तो संडे मंडे होगा, या तो मंडे ट्यूसडे, आई मीन संडे अगर चाहिए ना तो संडे मंडे में होगा, या तो सैटरडे संडे. तो 2 केसेस हैं जो फेवरेबल है. सो 2, और टोटल केसेस ऐसा पेयर्स निकालोगे ना, संडे मंडे मंडे ट्यूसडे, तो 7 पेयर्स होंगे. ऑलराइट. सो दैट इज द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ गेटिंग अ संडे इन अ लीप ईयर. व्हाट एल्स? अच्छा, सिमिलैरिटी का बता देती हूँ. सिमिलैरिटी में अगर ऐसा है, सपोज बीपीटी लग जाएगा 3 अगर है, दिस इज 2, ये ले लेते हैं 4, x और ये 7, ठीक है, a b c, ये मिस्टेक्स करते हैं बच्चे लोग, सो आई हैव जस्ट टेकन दिस क्वेश्चन. तो इसका अगर x is, and this is asked, x and y are asked, so 3 by 2 is 4 by x, this is fine by bpt, ठीक है, can find x, but 7 by y is not equal to 3 by 2. 7 by y is not equal to 3 by 2. यहाँ BPT नहीं लगेगा. BPT does not talk about bases, only side by side. तो क्या करेंगे for this? तो हम इसको similar ले लेंगे. Parallel lines है ना. तो these two, the small triangle and the big triangle are similar. अब उनके sides को proportional करो. So 7 by 5 will be 7 by y will be 3 by 5. Okay, and then find y. That is about this. There is another one which my student wanted me to do, but I don't think I'll make a long video. अच्छा, perimeter का क्या है? Suppose एक ऐसा circle है और this is say 90. You're asked to find perimeter of this 7 radius है. तो perimeter में क्या होगा? Perimeter is the total boundary. So this curved part plus this. ये add करना भूल जाते हैं बच्चे लोग. तो इसका पेरीमीटर क्या होगा? 90 by 360 into 2 pi r, ये सिर्फ कर्व पार्ट दे दिया, प्लस 7 और इसका एरिया अगर है, इसको ज्वाइन कर दो, तो एरिया क्या होगा? 90 by 360 pi r square, ये हो गया पूरे का, है ना. 90 by 360 pi r square will give me this part, right? ओके ओके, तो ये तो फिर ऐसे ही सिंपल हो गया. 90 by 360 पाई आर स्क्वायर विल गिव मी दिस पार्ट. इसमें इसको कुछ करना नहीं है. अगर सेगमेंट पूछा होता देन दैट माइनस दिस. ओके, that is all I think. I'll end it now. I just wanted to make a short video. So I hope all of you benefited from my videos. I'm completing this series now. All the best to all of you. Go to the hall, examination hall with confidence. Whatever you know, do that correctly. अगर कोई टफ क्वेश्चन आ गया, डजेंट मैटर, एक क्वेश्चन जाने दो, रेस्ट ऑल करेक्ट करना है ना. गो विथ अ वेरी काम माइंड, कॉन्फिडेंस. If you get scared and all, then it will be difficult. Don't like kind of be very calm and confident. You're going to kill it. All the best to all of you. My blessings are there with all. Thank you.